Hello everyone, welcome to the activity number 6. This is about healthy lifestyle. What is a healthy lifestyle exactly? A healthy lifestyle is one which helps to keep and improve people's health and well-being. Many governments and non-governmental organizations work at promoting healthy lifestyles. They measure the benefits with critical health numbers, including weight, blood sugar, blood pressure, and blood cholesterol. Healthy diet, which was calculated and rated based on the report intake of healthy foods like vegetables, fruits, nuts, whole grains, healthy fats, and omega-3. Fatty acids and unhealthy foods like red and processed meats, sugar, sweetened beverage, trans fat, and sodium. Healthy physical activity level, which was measured as athletes 30 minutes per day of moderate to vigorous activity daily. Look the pyramid. Healthy body weight, defined as a normal body mass index BMI, which is between 18.5 and 24.9. En esta imagen, chicos, ustedes pueden observar que es la que siempre manejaba la curva del peso y la talla cuando ustedes iban al control con el pediatra, donde les estaban, o no sé, todavía lo hacen, les hacen la curva para ver si ustedes están entre un rango normal, como lo observan en la imagen, o si hay un riesgo de llegar a la obesidad, como está en la curva amarilla. Okay, guys, healthy habits. Brush your teeth 3 times every day. Eat fruit and vegetables, a lot of fruit and vegetables. Do exercise frequently. Take a shower every day. That is very important. Go to the bed earlier. Go to the bed more or less at 8 p.m. or at 9 p.m. Eat less junk food. Well, guys, I have some questions for you. The first one is, what healthy habits do you have? How many fruits do you eat a day? Eat vegetables? What is your favorite? What exercise do you do? What is your favorite sports? Ok, mis chicos, estas preguntas ustedes las van a escribir en su cuaderno, las responden y las vamos a socializar en la clase. Okay, guys, this is another part of the activity. Well, choose a song from the list and practice it with the lyrics. Try to learn it because during the class you have to sing the song with karaoke. Ok, chicos, ustedes van a escoger una de las canciones que están aquí. There are 6 songs. Choose one. Count on Me by Bruno Mars, or Marshmello and Annie Murray, Friends. Talking to the Moon by Bruno Mars. Hello by Adele. Every Breath You Take by The Police. One Love by Bob Marley. Listo, tienen para escoger entre esas 6, escogen una. Allí les dejo el link de las canciones para que ustedes las practiquen con los lyrics, con las letras, y vayan practicando, y en la próxima clase yo les voy avisando cuándo vamos a hacer un karaoke. Recuerden, chicos, que ustedes tienen plazo para esta actividad hasta el viernes 5 de junio ¿Listo? Entonces tienen ese tiempo para que practiquen su canción. After that, okay guys, after that, read the next reading and answer the questions below. Restaurants and foods. And then there are 6 questions about the last readings. These questions we will answer in the class. Estas respuestas o estas preguntas mejor le daremos respuesta durante las clases. Pero necesito que ustedes lean atentamente las lecturas. Aquí hay varias de diferentes restaurantes, ¿sí? Pequeñas lecturas, para que después respondamos con respecto a eso. Es una comprensión de lectura, ¿ok? Reading comprehension. Entonces eso lo vamos a hacer durante la clase. Porfa, no necesitan enviarme nada al correo. Esto lo vamos a realizar durante la clase. ¿Listo? Al igual que la socialización de las preguntas de lo que vimos anteriormente sobre el healthy lifestyle. Muy bien, my dear students, that is all. Thank you so much. Bye bye.